Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up homeowners policy with Farmers Insurance, complete guide step by step clearly. To back up your homeowners policy with Farmers Insurance, start by gathering all relevant policy documents. Locate your original policy documents in a safe place for easy access. Visit the Farmers Insurance website to access your online account. If you do not have an account, create one by clicking on Sign Up or Register. Fill in the required information to create your online profile. Once logged in, navigate to your policy details. You will find options to view your coverage and policy documents. Download your policy documents to your computer or make sure to save these documents in a dedicated folder for easy retrieval later. Next, consider making physical copies of all documents. Store these copies in a fireproof and waterproof safe. Additionally, use an external hard drive or USB to back up digital files. Cloud storage options can also be considered for an extra layer of security. Ensure that your backups are regularly updated whenever changes are made to your policy. Review your coverage annually to adjust your backup as needed. Lastly, inform a trusted family member or friend about where to find these important documents. By following these steps, you'll secure and back up your homeowner's policy effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.